there! Hope you're doing well, my friend. Welcome to the Young Writers Workshop powered by ONEProject New Jersey. Alongside this video, you will also get a link to a free downloadable activity sheet. Use the skills you learned in this video to work through the exercises on that worksheet. So let's get started. Today, we're going to learn about adjectives. Picture this. Your friend wants a ball, but you don't know which one to give because there's a whole line of them. But then your friend says that he wants the pink one or that he wants the biggest one. Here, both pink and big are adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. And there's two types of adjectives. Adjectives of quality and adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quality can tell us the size, age, shape, color, material, origin, or purpose of a noun. Let's look at an example. Daisha has a black dog. In this sentence, the word black is the adjective that gives us more information about the color of Daisha's dog. Let's look at another example. The dinner was spicy. Here the word spicy gives us more information about the noun dinner. It tells us how the dinner was. Yellow, big, small, old are all examples of adjectives of quality. Now let's look at adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity tell us how much or many of a noun exists or the rank or the position of that noun. Let's look at an example. Summer was the first boy to go. In this sentence, the adjective is first because it tells us the rank or the position of the noun boy. Let's look at another example. There were many ducks in the pond. Here, the adjective is many because it tells us how many ducks there were in the pond. It gives us more information about the noun. Many, few, 1, 50. Numbers can also be adjectives of quantity. For example, there were 9 ducks in the pond. Let's recap. So today we learned what an adjective is and what it does. We also learned that there's two types of adjectives. We learned what adjectives of quality are, and we learned what adjectives of quantity are. Thank you so much for tuning in to this month's video of the Young Writers Workshop powered by ONEProject New Jersey. Goodbye, and don't forget to be awesome.